Hello everyone. Sitting for hours on end staring at a desktop screen can do a number on your eyes, joints, and sanity. What's more, there's one office device that can inflict vast amounts of stamina-draining damage, the keyboard. It makes your hands and wrists hurt after extensive typing, as conventional keyboards force users to pull in and straighten their arm positions, bend their wrists, and hold that position for hours on end. An ergonomic keyboard can be very helpful in this case. So in this video, we're going to show you some of the best ergonomic keyboards that are available on the market. As always, check the description given below to find out more information and prices of these products. So let's jump into the video. The Barocco is a small and ergonomic mechanical keyboard. Its design enables you to move your mice closer to it so you don't have to stretch so far. Not only its compact layout, but also its split characteristic makes it excellent for traveling light when you require a keyboard. It is designed explicitly for typing purists, gamers, and programmers. While gamers will love the fast lighting key registering, and typists will like the compact, design-saving space on the table, and programmers will enjoy the Dvorak and Coleman, as well as the common QWERTY preset designs, along with 3 additional customizable layouts. The ergonomic design splits the keyboard into 2 pieces for a split design that can be placed for a natural feel on your wrists, thus boosting productivity and reducing pain and stress. Minimizing hand movement is an advantage of a split keyboard design, and this is where Mistel delivers. The keyboard remains both durable and sturdy thanks to a temperature-resistant build that's resistant to friction and solvents. The Freestyle2 keyboard has the unique skill to be used as a one-piece adjustable keyboard connected by the flexible pivot tether, or as 2 separate keying modules connected only by the joining cable. Apple computer users should look no more than the Kinesis Freestyle2 blue wireless ergonomic keyboard that comes equipped with a bevy of Apple-specific keyboard shortcuts, including cut, copy, paste, and undo. Connecting to your Apple machine through Bluetooth 3.0, a single battery charge on the Kinesis should last about 300 hours or 6 months. You'll instantly discover that the negative slope design reduces the necessary extension of your wrist to operate each key. Available with 3 separate channels, the Bluetooth-based functionality permits for a total of 3 devices to be synced at one time. Switching between the devices requires the single press of a key. Additional keys include a shortcut for hiding and showing the dock, advanced controls for multimedia playback and volume. The Fellows Microban split design keyboard features Microban antimicrobial protection to keep product cleaner. The split key 3D design conforms to your standard arm and hand positions, lessening tension in shoulders, arms, and wrists. Another significant feature comprises the built-in Microban antimicrobial protection. Microban upholds the uncontrolled growth of damaging microbes, such as bacteria, that can cause product degeneration. The continuous cleaning action benefits your input devices, remaining cleaner for the lifetime of the product. It is budget-priced with premium convenience. The Fellows Microban split design keyboard offers more physical comfort without cracking the piggy bank. Part of the Microban family of products, the antimicrobial security will help keep your keyboard clean while still providing a more natural hand and arm position. Designed with Windows machines in mind, the Fellows include 7 hotkeys dedicated for managing multimedia playback, as well as one-touch access to open a web browser. The Surface Ergonomic Keyboard Double Cushioned Palm Base utilizes a unique, ultra-durable version of Alcantara, an individual exclusive material sourced only in Italy, with aesthetic, sensory, and technical features unlike anything you have ever felt. The subtle variations to the keytop geometry, split spacebar, and customarily arched shape guard you from wrist and hand strain, and increase your typing form to speed up your words per minute. The key sound, stiffness, and texture provide a stable and quiet typing experience with optimized grip. Optimized feedback and return force limits accidental presses and allows for smooth, constant action. Ideally suited for Microsoft's Surface line of computers, this ergonomic keyboard is created with comfort in mind and is an excellent choice for finding a natural arc. Powered by Bluetooth 4.0, 4.1, and 3 AAA batteries with a 12-month lifespan, the Surface keyboard is wirelessly compatible up to 32 feet away from the Surface lineup. The Microsoft Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard for Business is created for ergonomic convenience and efficiency. For providing optimal assistance, the keyboard has a contoured key set, cushioned palm rest, palm lift, and tractable keyboard legs. This is all to provide for a more natural, relaxed positioning of your arms, hands, and wrists while typing. The spacebar is bigger than that found on standard keyboards and is split with a backspace bar on the left-hand side. This is designed to enable you to type more quickly and maximize productivity. The keyboard is compatible with PCs running Windows 8, RT, or 7. It is universally known as the best ergonomic keyboard on the market. Microsoft Sculpt for Windows computers is a standout choice for all-day comfort. The split keyboard design instantly assists in positioning your wrists into a more natural position rather than the straight-on approach most keyboards favor. The dome design helps maintain positioning completely throughout the day, keeping your wrists at a more comfortable angle, which helps to reduce the discomforts that come from other models. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.